Hello, my name is Sean Awesome, and welcome back to Will You Press the Button? Okay, here we go. Taylor Swift stops making music, but she becomes a president. Oh no. She'll install loudspeakers across America and constantly blare, "We are never ever getting back together," and annoy the shit out of people. But it would be better than Trump. So, minority 36%, press the button. We got a lot of Trump lovers out there. You get $5,000 a week. Pick one person to fall in love with you forever and get one wish. But you lose all the good and bad things you got from other buttons you pressed, and no more buttons would work. Yeah, definitely. Majority. You live your perfect life, but nothing you ever do is private. No way. Ooh, even 50-50. You live forever, but everyone hates you. What the fuck's the point? 64% agree with me that sucks. You become hugely popular with everyone you meet, but you turn into a pumpkin every night for like 8 hours. Pumpkins are awesome. Get transported to the world of Pokemon. But to get there, you have to pull out 4 of your own teeth. Wisdom teeth, I guess. Minority, more people didn't press. Okay, last one. I'm sorry, but last one. You make $800,000 a year, but you have to work at a McDonald's cash register for the rest of your life. Yeah. majority. Okay, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 6 days a week. As always, hit like if you liked it. Goodbye.